Nuanom ne adofo Samuel so yehye biem. Ne den nsaka Samsung Galaxy A52 na display no asay. A pie ewo inside. Nti ene dey ebehwe se ebetimi asesa no. Say then I be fire aluminum opening tool no. Ma yabo modern near the abi achire no. A coin a better horn than a bomb near the plastic opening tool no ashaho. I'm ready to screws in now. There are two screws now in the every cover every hole. Yeah, they are to chain. I disconnected battery now. Yeah, disconnected flex way. So near it beats me any access to charging port now. Loudspeaker. Now, yeah, disconnect it, flex way. Yeah, disconnect it in so. And disconnect it in. Yeah, disconnect it front camera now. Yeah, yeah, free so. So I'm near to one screw over here. Now, yeah, you main board now. In case it be up as a main camera na I'm say betu just all the new one na shame nti peso usesa camera we so a no an say no so we here free so we now peso usesa no an say but disconnecting no I just say assessing also one screw over here fingerprint sensor on every hole the upper charging port na one set be lifted I just say order new one now what the asher fingerprint sensor and so and one say and so be here free because also vibration motor nso no anase nso in case bi a battery say na so ko so sesa no a eno an so de alcohol begu nchen we are no answer overlift eh just say waiting 2% battery and so on. And no. Yeah. New screen and the battery na aba. And one say yeah the man ever say ashim. If we record the reverse side and answer or the charging port no ever those I'm better say T say a sodia not just say and no na the screws na bobo na yatare yeah T I just say and then so the debremo no you tea home can be by yeah, that's I'm reading. A cataso. Yeah, the issue of you on my bye.